Hello everyone, welcome to Kids Study Hub. Today's video is about digraphs, which is an interesting topic in phonics. Before going into details of digraphs, let's just recap the previous steps in the phonics. So the steps are learning the letter sounds, then blending the letter sounds to make words like in b, a, t, bat. So once the blending sounds is mastered, we can teach them consonant blends that we saw in the previous video. Consonant blend is a sound formed by two consonants together. That is here st, as in star. So here we clearly hear the individual sound of the consonant, that is st. So next comes digraphs. So digraph is a unique sound created by two consonants together. Like in, so this is a digraph. CH together forms the digraph ch. So here we do not hear the sound of C and H. The C sound is k as in cat. H sound is h as in hat. But we do not blend together the sounds of the consonant. Instead, these two form a new sound, the unique sound ch. Chair, cheese, chips. So that is a kind of a sound ch. And also we could see the sound k in some words, like in character, chorus. But this is the most commonly used sound ch. It also comes at the end, like in match, watch, teach. The next digraph is sh. Sh. They make the sound ish. Ship, shell. At the end, it is wash, fish. Next, th, the. So th has two sounds. One is voiced. Voiced sound is like this, like in this, that, they. It is called voiced because we use the vocal cords to produce the sound the, this. Another sound is like in think, thumb, thought, the. That is voiceless because here we don't use the vibration of the vocal cords, we just use the air from the mouth. So it is called voiceless. We don't use the voice. That the sound is the, think. Here it is the, this. Next one is ph. It is f as in phone, phonics. At the end it is graph. The last digraph is wh, what, whale, which. So the main difference between digraph and consonant blend is, in consonant blend the sounds, individual sounds blend together. Here the individual sounds doesn't blend. Instead we have a new sound. But both the blends and digraphs have consonants only. When it involves vowels, it is called diphthongs. That we will see in the next video. Now in this video we will also see the worksheets and the word list that I have made. I have uploaded these worksheets in the website kidsstudyhub.com. Let's see the word list and worksheets now in detail. So this is the first digraph, ch, ch. Let's see some words that begin with the digraph ch. Chair, church, cheese, chips, chicken, cherries, chess, chocolate. sh, sh, ship, she, shark, shop, shirt, shoe, shell, sheep. ph, f, phone, phonics, phoenix, physics, photo, phantom, pharmacy, pheasant. th, that is the voiceless sound. The. Tree, thumb, thermometer, thunder, throw, think, theater, thread. wheel, whistle, whisk, whip, whale, wheat, whisker, whisper. Okay, let's see the digraphs that comes at the end of the words. So this worksheet is matching the picture with its beginning digraph. So on the left we have few pictures, on the right I have jumbled the digraphs. So the first one is wheel. So it starts with the digraph w. So match the wheel with w. Thread with th. Cherries with ch. Sheep sh. Phone f. This is fill in the blanks with the correct digraph. So this picture is whale. It starts with wh. Watch ch. Tooth th. Phone ph. Brush sh. Chair ch. Think ship sh. This one, tick all the pictures that start with the digraph ch. So the answer is chair, chocolate, cheese, cherries and church. So these 5 pictures starts with the digraph ch. Color the beginning digraph for each picture. So this is cheese ch. Tree th. Photo ph. Whistle w. Shoe sh. Here sort and write the words in the right column according to the beginning digraph sound. So chair, child, chips, chalk has to be written under this column ch. Ship, sheep, share has to be written under the column sh. And thumb, throw, tree, thing has to be written in the last column th. I have shared the link in the description box, so please visit the website and download the worksheets. So see, this is the ch words, f words, sh words, th words, wh words, ending digraph list and all the worksheets. If you just click the image, you will get the PDF. So that's it for the today's videos. Please like, share and subscribe.